The world has been changed. We are bombarded by technology every day. We have new innovations coming up. Due to this adaptive nature and this phenomena, the way we deliver and develop software has been changed recently. Agile came up with the idea of a continuous development, but Agile missed out the deployment part of it.
So Agile came up with the idea to continuously develop things. Like, for example, this is a whole development team, this is an operation team. In development, we know we have continuous planning, Scrum and all these things on a daily basis. As soon as we develop things, we integrate it. As soon as we integrate it, we move it to the testing environment where testing happens, and all these things happen on a daily basis regularly. But actually it does not deploy things. When it comes to deploy, it actually first moves to the testing environment where we validate things are working fine, and then we'll manually pick it from here and move it to the production, and things get run in the production. What DevOps did is DevOps came up with the idea to close this operation team with the development team like this. And if you, for example, if they work on the new release, what we do is the DevOps actually connect with this development team with the operation team in a way that as soon as things get planned, it develop, it integrate, it test, it deliver, it deploy onto the production, and monitoring happens like this. So this is how DevOps is.
Now, what is DevOps? DevOps is a culture, is a mindset, is a methodology. It's actually a business-driven approach to deliver software fast and early. It actually addresses how to enable yourself to deliver things fast. And to be fast is the key of success. As Shal said, that in today's world, it is not the big fish which eats the small fish. It is the fast fish which eats the slow fish, no matter how big it is. So in this course, you will actually learn how you make yourself enable, how you can enable your organization and align your organization with the DevOps techniques to deliver things fast, to compete with the market. I myself being in the industry for last 16 years, working with the fast-paced software development and delivery team across the world. I have got the exposure working with Agile gurus, Scrum gurus, and DevOps gurus, which really helped me understand these tools and techniques. I really would like to share this knowledge to the local market where they can enable themselves to deliver things fast. Especially my last experience with Careem, where I have experienced the 1000x growth within 3 years as a head of DevOps. I would like to share my experience and knowledge to the people in Pakistan so they can transform their organization.